So I'm driving over to Chelsea's because I just got done with class, and I'm standing behind a car. I am sitting behind a car, and I'm reading the license plate, and it's Alonzi from Doctor Who, but it's not spelled Alonzi. It's spelled like it sounds, but it's like you had to look at it for a while to like get it, like, oh, they're spelling out Alonzi. It was actually really clever. I want to be their friend. I mean, I may have given them a little too much credit because from what I was reading, it sounded like Alonzi, but they used the word Alan, then there was a Z. That's all I'm giving. I can't give you some person's, like an innocent person's license plate. Yeah, so I know I made plans with Chelsea last night. I told her, hey, I'm gonna come over when my class is done at like 10:50. She goes, yeah, we'll go get lunch and we'll get coffee. Texted her. She's not responding. Let's see if Chelsea remembers our plans. So a couple weeks ago, a co-worker put wrapping paper in Chelsea's car. Now, what does one person normally do?
I have a reason.
They take the wrapping paper, throw it out, right? That's what a normal person does. They clean up their car, right? No, she's leaving it in her car because
the minute he makes a mistake and leaves his window cracked, it's payback time.
But meanwhile, it's taking residency up in her back seat, and it flaps around when the windows are down, and if people, like, she has a thing that she needs to be the driver. People can sit back there if she's driving.
Sounds like a wifey.
So we're at Stonefire, and we ordered a lot of food.
Too much food.
Too much food. We ate all the meat, though.
So food. Much food. So we're back.
Oh, that's an idea. Oh, she's got it.
Dang.
Oh, hello.
Chelsea, she got
Oh, it's not. I was just now jamming.
Call again.
Alright, let's call it. Let's just go get a terrible shot of my butt.
If you have questions, call 1-888-OXYTROL for a one-on-one discussion with a knowledgeable woman to learn more. Take control with Oxytrol for Women.
So it's like when you stand on a mountaintop and you yell echo, and it's like echo, echo, echo. That's the echo.
It's tiring, it's exhausting.
You don't have a message. And what's really cute is that I save a lot of my pills just in case. I want to hear your voice one last time.
Got dark fast. I hear it a little bit. You're really close. Chewbacca, a Wookiee, like in the throat.
I had it because we both heard it.
I was aware.
It's gonna happen. I'm so mad the camera.
So you're doing it forward.
I'm doing it the only way I know how. You're so gifted.
Do you want to be able to expertly impersonate Chewbacca?
Yeah, I do.
Does a real Chewbacca use a uvula? Does he even have a uvula?
Gifted.
Fine. This is Brady's bringing you the Chewbacca tutorial. Stay fresh, YouTube.
Step 1. Step 2.
I got that down.
Bark, come on. Back in the That's pretty good. Watch it.
You're trying to hit 2 notes at once and do some Tibetan throat singing right there. She's lost it. She's breaking down. She's broken. It's like the platypus.
Where I fail, my brother succeeds. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.